Alright guys, welcome to the Rinsed Out Experiment. We are at the Matsu Glacier in Alaska, so let's check this out. Alright guys, thanks for watching the Wrenched Out Original, the Matsu Glacier. So, a couple of key notes when I was shooting the Matsu Glacier. The access to it is privately owned, so you do have to pay a fee to bring you and whoever else you're bringing out there. In addition to that, they do not allow drones. I did talk to the business representative that was there at the time, very nice lady. She explained it to me, so I wasn't going to try it. However, I did talk to her. She said sometimes the business owner will allow people to do it. I couldn't coordinate it to get a hold of him, so I didn't get any drone footage. The weather was very inconsistent that day. It was beautiful and sunny, and then it was cloudy and rainy, just back to back over and over. I mean, it was just passing. So kind of difficult, but I did get the footage. So thank you guys for watching that. A couple of Another items, if you are going to go there, it's about an hour and a half, hour 45-minute drive north of Anchorage. Make sure to bring some rubber boots, bring a coat, as it is muddy, it's wet, and the weather changes frequently. So some exciting news for the Wrenched Out Experiment. We are on Instagram, Facebook, we're on Twitter now, so check us out there, please. Always share and subscribe. A couple other cool things that we're doing, we revamped our playlist. So what we're looking at now is we have the Wrenched Out Garage. The Wrenched Out Garage is where I'm going to feature some of the stuff I'm working on, some of the motorcycle, car, truck stuff, but I'm also looking for people that are out there that want to share either cars they've worked on or what they're going to work on, and I just want to build kind of a community with that. So if you have something you're working on that you want to share, you want to talk about, I'll ask you some questions, we'll kind of go over the whole deal. Get a hold of us on any one of those social networks I just talked about, or shoot us an email at wrenchedoutgarage@gmail.com. Also, an additional playlist we're working on right now, there hasn't been anything posted to it yet, but we are working on it, is called the Business Block. And what that is we're going to sit down with business owners, and most of them are going to be small business owners, and we're going to just have a conversation, ask them about what it took for them to do the things that they did. It'll also give them an opportunity to, of course, pitch what they're selling or what they're doing or what they're going to do. So if you guys are interested in that, we can do it over the internet. We can meet face to face. Get a hold of us again on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Shoot us an email at wrenchedoutexperiment@gmail.com. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please share and subscribe. We are working on multiple more videos. We have some more reviews coming out. You'll see that hopefully here in the next week. We've got a really great Hatcher's Pass video coming out that you guys will see. So I'm very excited. I hope you guys are too. Thanks for watching, and as always, throw your comments below, whether they're positive or negative. We always welcome them. So thanks for watching, guys.